Gerald, first of all, good afternoon. I start my presentation. I'm Carlos Montoya. I'm 40 years old. I'm from ANSA. I live in Medellin. I live with parents. I am an administrative assistant and also a student of Administración de Empresas. I like reading, writing, listening to music, swimming, dancing, and table games. I enjoy going to the shopping mall, watching series. And I'm going to talk about the technology and its effects on the environment. Let's start. The negative effects of the technology in the environment are too many. The first and easiest example are the barriers. The people prefer no rechargeable batteries. This affects the climate change because people just throw barriers in rivers and lakes and they pollute them. This also affects the marine ecosystem. Water acidification will be bigger, and this will produce dense and index or an index for the flora and marine fauna because the water absorbs up to 50% of cognitive products. All of this causes the global warming, which is the first cause of the climate change. From my point of view, technology is going to generate a lot of bad effects of the environment. It is going to push people into consumerism. So people are going to just lots of things that they are going to do again in a short time. People are not conscious about it. These objects are going to be in the trash without any current treatment according to which components generating pollution and global warming. Finally, I think it is necessary to avoid and reduce the use of plastic and polystyrene. Separate the trash. A good idea would be for governments to declare that organic waste should be given to farmers for composting and farmers must reduce the use of the pesticides.